Okay, so here is the follow-up video. I replaced the memory in my Mac. I took out the 2x2 meg Mac memory that was in there, which ended up being Samsung memory by brand, and put in some Corsair 2x8 meg memory sticks. And that ran excellently, improves the speed, awesome. Have a look at my how to change out the Mac memory video. I'll put a link up right here. But it only lasted about 10 days. And then after 10 days, the computer totally shut down. It went blank and I couldn't see anything. It wouldn't turn on. There was no startup chime. There was no nothing at all. So when I went online and checked, it said, hey, have you recently replaced the memory? Blah, blah, blah. So I took the memory out, reinstalled it, tried it again. Still wouldn't start. It was totally dead. So I then took it out again. This is the new stuff, the 16. I put the old back in. I hadn't thrown it out, thank goodness. The 2x2, I put that back in, and then the computer started up and ran. So as it turned out, the memory I was sent was faulty. The company that sent it did me well. They did ask me to send it back. I would have been wrecked if I had to throw the other memory in the bin, but they did ask me to send it back. So I sent it back, and they checked it and then sent me out some more memory. And now a couple of months in, that new memory is run fantastic. But yeah, just something to note is that if your computer goes totally blank, you can't turn it on. One of the things, if you've just changed your memory or changed it recently, is exactly what you're looking at right now. The RAM memory could be the issue. So there it is, the speed report, as I've said on the end of that other video, excellent, so worth the upgrade to go from 4 to 16. Really worked well. It wasn't that hard to change. Have a look at my video, explains it all. But yeah, what actually happened is that the memory was faulty that I was sent, only lasted 10 days, and then I lost my computer altogether. So there you go, there's the follow-up video and what actually happened. Better luck with yours, but I would still highly recommend this. But yeah, buy a known brand.